This content will be recorded and made available in an accessible alternative format upon request. If you require captioning, transcription, or other communication services to access this content, please contact the Disability Resource Center, DRC, at drc@snhu.edu or 877-591-4723 and select option 4.
Hello, I understand that you have reached out to me and that you are having difficulties completing your APA research project. So I just want to thank you for reaching out and letting me know that you are struggling. And I know that you're a little frustrated. And so I've made this video to go over the process and hopefully it will be helpful to you. So I have the document that you will be using. And so I'm just going to go over each page briefly, and then I just want to remind you that you can always set more of a one-on-one time and we can chat or talk on Link or Google Hangouts. So to begin with, this is your cover page to your APA report, and you always want to make sure that you have the APA cover page and that it follows this format. And so I just want to remind you that you have access to this paper and it is in your account, so all you have to do is open it. And remember that you always start with the running head, which is right here at the top, and you want to enter the report title there and keep it short. And then here in the center line, you will also enter your report title, and then you will follow by putting your first name, middle initial, and last name, followed by your university, which is Southern New Hampshire University. Okay, and this is considered your title page. Then we move on to the second page, which is your abstract. And if you remember, our lesson this week talked about an abstract is just a concise summary of some key research points. So it's short, it's not a long written document. In fact, I believe we should only keep it to 150 to 250 words. So I will write that here for you. Oops. Um, so just remember, it should be 150 to 250 words. It's usually about a paragraph or two, and it's just a brief summary of what your research is about. Then we have keywords here, which are keywords that stand out in your topic for the research that you are doing. And the purpose of this is so that readers, if they're trying to research databases, and if they type in those keywords, they'll be able to find either your topic or other topics that are similar. And it also helps them when they're reading your paper to understand that, hey, these are some keywords that will be covered. And on the third page is where you actually start writing the body of your paper. And again, you'll have your title up here in the heading, and then you enter your title here in the center. Where it says start body here, you just want to delete that, and then you can begin typing. And the paper will just continue. So don't worry about page 4 if you see references here, because if you keep typing and your paper should be 3 to 5 pages, as you type, everything will just keep moving down, okay? And so the last page will be your reference page, which will contain your references of the resources that you used in your document. And that is always your reference page. And again, it says start references here. We can just delete that and input your information there, okay? Now, in other videos, I will go over referencing in a little bit more detail, but I just wanted to create this so that you would know where to start with your paper. As I understand, you were confused where to begin. But again, if you use this document, it'll help you. It's already formatted and following the APA guidelines, which consist of having 1-inch margins, double spaced. Your paper is double spaced when you're writing. And your font should be about 12-point font, and using the Roman Times New Roman font, which is up here, and then your 12-point font is right here. Okay, Again, thank you for reaching out to me, letting me know you're frustrated. I know sometimes having a visual is very helpful. And again, please reach out to me if you need a little more one on one time. I can adjust this to help you with your specific needs if you need some further support. And we can always get together on Link or Google Hangouts or another method that would be best for you. But just reach out to me, we can schedule an appointment. And before I end this video, I just also want to share with you one more resource, and that is this website that's right here, Purdue OWL. If you copy this link, it'll take you to this website, and it also talks to you about the guidelines for writing an APA page. Kind of goes over the information that I just showed you in a little bit more detail, but you can also use this as a reference to look at, and it also has information on how to do your references on the left hand side. Again, we'll touch on references later in another video. But thank you. I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any other questions, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.